Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to connect to Expedia. To do so, open your required listings page. On the left menu, click on the arrow in front of Rooms and Rates to open the drawer, then click on Connectivity Settings. Enter the name of Zeevou as the provider for updating rates and availability, and also as provider for receiving the reservations. Click on Save and Continue. Now your channel manager is Zeevou. Then click on the property name to copy its ID. In Zeevou, navigate to Listings and click on your property. Then click on Manage Channels. Click on Select Channel and choose Expedia. Click the plus button. In order to continue, paste the property ID. Select the room, occupancy based for rate pricing, self for rate, inactive for status, and finally save. Click on the red cross sign. Now your channel is successfully added. Click on Map in front of Expedia and Map again. You need to select the listings rate plan here and then the PMS rate plan. Tick the box of Link Rate Plans and then Listing. For adding number of guests, click on Plus to add. You can have 8 here. You can add an extra price for extra guests. If you want to charge an extra guest fee after the 6th guest, you can add the amount in front of the plus sign. Finally, save. When your rooms are successfully mapped, click on the key to make the status active and save. Now the channel is successfully updated. In order to check if the mapping is okay, you can return to Expedia and click on Rates and Availability Observation. Subscribe our channel to watch more tutorials and start growing your business.